Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Nemo and you can probably guess what we're doing today. If you didn't read the title, this probably gives it away. We're doing my hair. I do want to take a second to ask if you enjoy my content, please leave a like and subscribe. It would really help me out. In the first 6 months, I gained 10 subscribers, and in this past month alone, I've gained even 5 more. Thank you so much to those who have subscribed. It means so much to me. And I would just really love to bring out more content, and if you like what I do, why not? So another thing I also want to say, I think I made a terrible mistake last time I did my hair, and that mistake is using Euro Pink on this whole half of my head, and I knew better than that. I knew better. I watch AKA Aislinn. If you're watching my channel, you probably know who I'm talking about. If you don't, go check her out. She's freaking awesome. But she cannot get the Euro Pink out of her hair for nothing. She's had it forever. She put even more in her hair recently, which I don't know what she was thinking. But she's determined to find a way to get it out. She has not succeeded yet. Even bleach doesn't do the trick. So I'm hoping that this is not just stuck in my head until I chop it off. It has faded some, more like to neon orange, because my hair was yellow when I put the pink over. And the reason I didn't think about it when I used it is because I was using a pastel color, and I didn't expect it to come out nearly as bright as it did. It came out super bright if you saw that video, like neon pink, neon orange. It was not pastel by any stretch of the imagination. Even now, I guess you could call it like a pastel peachish, but anyway, that aside, if I have to work with it, I'll work with it, but I want to be done doing split dye after this, I think. So today the plan is to do split dye ombre, and on this side I want to go from purple to pink, and then on this side blue to green, which I think the colors that I have under are going to be okay. The only one I'm just a little bit worried about is the purple going over this peach orange, slightly still pink. We'll see how that comes out. I am a little nervous about that, and I tried to look up like what happens if you put purple dye over orange, and I did not see much on the subject. We are going to go ahead and get started with this ombre look I'm doing. So for my colors, I'm going to be using aquamarine with a little bit of Poseidon, and I will go ahead and show you that mixture now. For my green, I'm going to be using mostly Euro Neon Green with Euro Green, and I will show that as well. Now for this side, I'm not going to be mixing colors. I'm just going to be doing straight up Arctic Fox Violet Dream for the purple portion, and then Arctic Fox Virgin Pink for the bottom portion. So I'm not going to bother showing you that because it's just straight out the bottle. That's what we're doing. All except the purple should go over what I have just fine. As you can see, this side has faded quite a lot. This was the Euro Seafoam, and I know the back's a little bit of a mess, but that doesn't really matter. You don't really have to be precise when you're doing the back of a split dye because it all gets blended together anyway. But it's mostly faded. It's still like a little bit bluey green on top, and then like greeny yellow towards the ends. As I take it down and do my hair, you'll get a better idea of what it looks like. And on this side, like I said, it's kind of like a coral peach, slightly pastel, still pretty neon. I'm gonna quit blathering on and get started. applied everything, and I think I did a pretty decent job. This is the first time I've done anything like ombre at all, so fingers crossed, praying that this comes out well. And I will come back with you once I have this all rinsed out, dried, and maybe even styled, besides just straightening this time. We'll see what I decide to do, but I will see you in just a moment. So here we are, and this is hands down my favorite look I've ever done, ever. Even more than that first rainbow video I did, which was my favorite up until now. Like I said in the last hair video I did, I always wanted to do like a half warm, half cool side. This is overall pretty cool. I used a cool tone purple, and it's kind of cool tone pink. It doesn't turn orange, this kind of pink, so I consider it cool-ish. Let me do a spin so you can see the back. And I love how it looks styled. I'm glad that I took the time to do that this time. I'm freaking obsessed. I love it. I love it so much. I'm probably actually gonna keep it like this for a while. I may have some just like family vlogs coming out soon. Maybe tie-dye, maybe some arts and crafts stuff. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.